The Grand Gala has become the signature event of Jamaica's independence celebrations, bringing together thousands each year for an unforgettable showcase of music, culture, and national pride. I'm Brittany Stanley. Come with us as we take you inside Grand Gala 64.
For 64 years, the Black, Green and Gold has told the story of a resilient, creative and proud people. And as thousands gathered once again for Grand Gala, the evening became a powerful reminder of the creativity and passion that continues to define the nation.
So the spirit of the Jamaican people is indomitable and resilient. It is also, however, a declaration of how talented we are. And you can see that by the performances.
Beyond the music, beyond the performances, Grand Gala is a celebration of the people, their pride, their culture, and the spirit that brings Jamaicans together.
People from different areas of life all coming together to celebrate our country, our culture.
We are united when we come together, and together we're strong.
Everybody, no matter who where you come from, out of many, one people.
And I am very proud to be a Jamaican.
I don't know about you, but I love Jamaica.
And that Jamaican pride was on full display in the music, the movement, and the culture that continue to carry the island's influence far beyond its shores.
Jamaica has been through a lot, but we also have seen greatness in our athletes, in our music, in our culture. And so we celebrate tonight both the resilience we have shown and the greatness we have displayed to the world.
But as I look around the stadium and I'm hearing Marcia Griffiths, and you feel the spirit of Jamaica in the stadium.
I don't know about you, but I love Jamaica. Breadfruit and roast for breakfast, I love Jamaica. Big up me athlete, them, yo, them fast, I love Jamaica. Believe me.
The Grand Gala continues to be more than a spectacular show. It's a celebration of Jamaica's identity, creativity, and enduring spirit. Thanks for joining us. I'm Brittany Stanley. Walk good.
Jamaica, I love Jamaica. All right.